Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? It's your boy Frank with another DIY. Today, I'm about to work on the Mistral Terrano. I just had an issue yesterday, earlier this week, with the radiator. The car started to overheat. I mean, I was glad to see it before the car starts to overheat. The water wasn't boiling, but a lot of smoke was coming out from the radiator area. So I had to be towed back home. So today I'm about to see the damage that were caused and we're about to fix it. Stay tuned. So what actually happened, you see you have the mounts here for the radiator and it snapped off. So the radiator went out of its place, hit the fan, and the fan blades damaged the radiator. So yeah, this is what happened. So now we have to go ahead and replace the radiator. And I was actually having some issues with temperature. Sometimes it used to raise, and I ended up discovering that probably, the radiator is stuffed either way, so I'm going to replace it. But I think the issues that were being caused was related with the gearbox the gearbox cooler, because it's attached to the radiator. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a mod where I will install where I will fit an external oil cooler, which I will fit from a Pajero. So this is the old radiator, guys. I believe that you probably can see that the fan heated that area, and here it is a fan. I believe that you can see right there on the corners where it heated the radiator. It stuffed up over there too. You guys can see just right there, all the water was coming out from there, so that would be hard to repair. But anyways, this radiator was stuffed anyway, so I went ahead, bought new one, as you guys may be seeing over here. It's not new, it's used in great condition, as you guys are seeing there. So we will be installing this, and in addition to that, as I said, I sourced a Pajero oil cooler for the trans, which I will be installing on the car also. So I will not be using anymore the OEM one. I will just keep using this one. So as you guys maybe see over there, I just found a perfect place. So we will have airflow from here, which is perfect, and I will be able to support it over that bracket, and I will be able to do something to hold it up here, which is perfect. So now it's time to go and source the hoses and some mounting stuff to put it over there. So I'm basically done. I just had to cut the grill. I'll just show you guys. I believe that you can see we are quite different on the left. You will see that I had to take as much of that portion that we have over here to make sure that it fits with the new cooler in. So let me just fit there. Other than that, I've just fixed it up, the new radiator. As you guys maybe see, I just had new nuts and washers. So this thing now, it's fixed as hell, shouldn't go anywhere. Well, I guess you guys enjoy. Oh, I'm with my flash on. Let me turn it up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Wow, it took us some time to actually get into the perfection, to close all the gaps. The bonnet closed like factory, you wouldn't even tell. Let me just close the bonnet right now just to show you guys. Voila. Guess what? No one can tell. No one can tell at all. So yeah, guys, you can probably tell how good it's looking, and now it's time to test. Let's see how the temperature will go. Stay tuned for the next video. Cheers.